Here we are looking at a chart of KMAG. This is a 60-minute chart. Had quite a few questions on this one over the past couple of days. Just now getting around to it. Like I said, this is a 60-minute, so real quick, instead of each one of these bars representing an hour's a day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 60 minutes worth of price action. And I think this chart does a good job of showing what's been going on with the chart and also what you want to see occur going forward. So the chart's obviously seen its better days, but the first thing that I do want to point out is that the overall context is still bullish. Now you may be saying, how can you make that claim when the price has been falling the past couple of days? Well, depending on your strategy, that's going to kind of dictate how you look at things. But right here, the 200 period simple moving average on this chart is still very clearly sloping upwards. So that's what's giving us the overall context. Now on that same note, the other periods have either gone bearish or neutral. You can see up here our two short-term trend indicators, the 10 period, this blue line, and the 20 period, the gray line, are both clearly sloping down. So right now, short-term, the chart is bearish, and then medium-term, based off the 50 period, we've gone neutral now. You can see it did have a nice strong increase to it, but then after today's action has flattened out. So overall, still bullish, long-term bullish, medium-term is now neutral, and then short term based on these moving averages is bearish. So that's where the trends stand on the 60-minute chart. But really that all dictates to what sort of strategy you're. Obviously if you're a day trader and you bought up here or bought here or here, you should probably already be out. But if you're a longer term swing trader or just in this for the overall chart, then the trend is still upwards despite the past 3 days. And real quick, just on the daily chart, like I said, you can see the past 3 days have been rough, but very clearly, since here, the chart is still sloping upwards. So it all kind of goes back to what your strategy is, but for those swing traders and so forth, the overall trend is still up. Now, there's a key level that I don't know if the price is going to test it, but if the price does pull back to this level, it's one of these where you really do want to see it hold and maintain itself, and that's going to be right here at the 0.012 level. So if I change this to green real quick to represent support, make that extra thick because it is a key level. If you look back through here, you can see that this price level has a lot of history that's right around it. Now right around it, not exactly, but you'll see that there's lots of prices. So here you can see acted as resistance, here resistance through all these portions. Then when the price finally did break through it, made this big run up. During the pullback, you can see right here, found support, and although the price hasn't hit it, it could be soon. So 0.012 is really going to be an important level. If that doesn't hold, then the next level of support is going to be right down here at the 200 period, and that's the level that you really want to see hold, because again, this is the overall context kind of one where you derive things from. So if the price falls below this one, then that's where this is going to turn downwards, and then the overall trend is down. So that's why it's important that the price remains above this level. So that's where the chart currently stands. All in all, still looking good from the overall perspective, but there is some work that needs to start to happen now in the shorter term and medium terms in order to get this 60-minute firing again on all cylinders like it was during this portion of the chart. So if there are any other questions on it though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety of stuff for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was KMAG. Thanks for listening.